All right, guys, we are at Cloud Auto in Bonifay, Florida. We're standing in front of my new tractor for the property. I'm not going to show you until it gets delivered, so you guys have to wait till the delivery. I'm excited. We need this for this property. I have a lot of big plans. All right, we are heading back. I want to say a huge shout out to Richard up here at Cloud Auto in Bonifay, Florida. What an awesome experience. Also, Sandy up here was amazing. Everyone up here is awesome to work with. So if you guys are in the market for a tractor or a steel chainsaw or steel zero turn or a Ferris zero turn, this is the place to go if you're in the area. Even it's worth the drive, I think, too. They are awesome to work with, and so check them out. I'm heading home now. We will be getting the new tractor on maybe Saturday, hopefully. We'll see. But sometime very soon. So I'm excited. I'll see you guys. I'm heading home now. It's only like a 45-minute drive from here to my house, so that's where I'm going. See you guys. All right, guys, so we are heading home. I just left the bank. We're probably going to cut it close. The new tractor is on the way. It's being delivered from Cloud Auto, and I'm excited to show you guys. I think this is going to be huge for the property. I did a lot of research on other brands, and this is the one I really liked. Super versatile. So I will see you guys at the house. I gotta go open the gate for them, and yeah, we got it. All right, I am trying to get there in time. We are almost there. Maybe I beat him here. I don't think I did. There's no way. He was 5 minutes away like 9 minutes ago. Although I don't see him. Here she is. The thing looks so cool. I know not everyone gets excited about a tractor, but I do. I've never owned a tractor like that. Well, I've never really owned a tractor. I've owned like lawn tractors, but not a real tractor. So I'm excited. He's backing her out. I wasn't able to get here before him because the poor guy pulled straight into the driveway, which is going to make things way harder for him to back out, but I'll help him. I need to open this gate for him real quick. Once he's gone, we'll kind of go over everything, and I'm excited. You guys can already probably tell what it is or what model it is, but all right, guys, so here it is, the 2025 TYM 2515H. If you couldn't tell from the clips of us unloading it off the trailer, here it is. This tractor is a very popular model. I did a lot of research, I mean a lot of research on YouTube here and on the forums and Facebook, all of that. I will say I learned a lot from YouTube. I watched Tony's Tractor Adventure, Hank Hamilton, Peaks Peak, Piney Grove, Rock Hill Farm. They all were really helpful in, you know, me making my decision to go with the 2515H. I just think it's a very versatile tractor, especially for my size property. We're on right around 10 acres here in North Florida. We don't have any hills, anything like that, but we wanted some lift capacity to, you know, lift things off trucks, lift logs, some brush, things like that. And so this thing kind of has a little bit of everything, kind of the best of both worlds. You get 25 horse under, so you don't have the regen and emissions, but you get the lift capacity of a bigger frame tractor. And so if we could only have one, you know, this would be a lot of people's choice. I mean, there's some people that are like, you know, purist, you know, Kubota only or John Deere or whatever, right? But this thing seems to get a lot of love from a lot of people that are even, you know, partial to those other brands. So I did a lot of research. This thing was always brought up a lot for bang for the buck. And so that's why I went with it. And the dealership, Cloud Auto, was only 45 miles from me. So it's perfect. And they work with Hank Hamilton, Piney Grove. Brad has been there. He talks great about them as well. And so, yeah, here it is, guys. While this was a relatively easy decision to go with this model, there was another contender. I wouldn't say it was a true contender, but I was looking into it. And it was basically this exact model, but with a full cab, you know, air conditioning and heat. I'm in North Florida. AC is very nice. But ultimately, I didn't want to spend like $7,000 or $8,000 more just for that. And then also, it'd be one more thing that can go wrong. And you're bringing a glass cab back in the woods there. I'm just asking to shatter that thing or scratch everything. So I wanted to keep it a little more simple, and that's why I went with the 2515H. That other one would have been really nice for sure, but it's way more money. I believe it's the same tractor. I think it's just geared differently to make up for the horsepower loss from the air conditioning system, I believe. I think it's still a 25 horse, but I think it's the 3015 or 35 or 3025, something like that. I think it's the 3015. And so pretty much the same tractor, just with a cab. That would be nice, but I don't want to spend that kind of money right out of the gate. So we went with this bad boy, and I'm more than happy. So yeah, here she is, guys. The new tractor on the channel. I am super excited to put this thing to work, and we have a lot of stuff planned for this thing. We really do. We want to make this property our own, and so I think having a tractor is probably the easiest way to help do that. Yeah, we could pay people, but it'd be way more fun to do this all on our own, use our own equipment, put some things to the test. And again, I'm going to show you all the other implements or attachments I have, but that'll be probably in the next video. So this video is probably already long enough for a video of me showing you the new tractor. So that is going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or any questions for me, or any like tips or tricks for this thing, please leave it down below. I'd really appreciate it. Any type of attachments or mods I should do to this thing right out of the gate, let me know down below. I'd really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.